Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from the topic single variable optimization, mathematical economics. From the following total cost function TC equals to Q cubed minus 5Q squared plus 60Q, find the minimum average cost. Now TC is given. TC is the total cost. Total cost is TC equals to Q cube minus 5Q square plus 60Q. Now average cost. Average cost denoted by AC equals to TC by output Q. Q is the output. That means Q cubed minus 5Q squared plus 60Q by Q, where Q is not equals to 0. Then AC equals to Q squared. We divide Q cubed by Q. It becomes Q squared minus 5Q plus 60. We divide total cost by the output Q. It becomes Q squared minus 5Q plus 60. Now we minimize this average cost. We minimize average cost with respect to Q. Q or output is the variable here, independent variable. To minimize, we first do the first order condition. First order condition for minimization is dAC by dQ equals to 0. That is, we set the first order derivative of average cost with respect to output equals to 0. Now what is dAC by dQ? That is, we differentiate this one, Q squared minus 5Q plus 60. If we differentiate with respect to Q, this becomes 2Q minus 5Q, and setting dAC by dQ equals to 0, we get 2Q minus 5 equals to 0. Therefore, Q equals to 5 by 2. Now we check the second order condition. Second order condition. Second order condition requires d2AC by dQ squared is positive for minimization of average cost. Now d2AC by dQ square means what? We differentiate dAC by dQ with respect to Q. d square AC by dQ square is d dQ by dAC by dQ, d of dQ. dAC by dQ is what? 2Q minus 5. We differentiate 2Q minus 5 with respect to Q. This becomes 2 simply, because 2Q, if we differentiate 2Q with respect to Q, becomes 2, and 5 is a constant number. Therefore, differentiation of a constant with respect to Q is 0. This is positive. The second order condition requires that d2AC by dQ square is positive, which is satisfied here. Satisfied. That means at Q equals to 5 by 2, average cost is minimum. At Q equals to 5 by 2, average cost is minimum. AC is minimum. Now minimum average cost. Minimum AC is we put the value of Q equals to 5/2 in the average cost function. Average cost is what? Q² minus 5Q plus 60 at Q equals to 5/2. This is 5/2 whole square minus 5 into Q 5/2 plus 60. That is 25/4 minus 25/2 plus 60. This is 60 minus 25/4, because 25/4 minus 25/2 is, we take the LCM as 4. This is 25 minus 2 into 25. This is minus 25/4. That is 240 minus 25/4. This is 215/4. If we calculate this value, then minimum AC is 215/4 or 53.75. This is the answer of this question. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.